Checking your account balance with Texas Trust Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account information. Step 1. Visit the Texas Trust Credit Union website. Go to the official Texas Trust Credit Union website using your preferred web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Log into your online banking account. Enter your username and password to access your online banking account. If you do not have an account, you may need to register for online banking first. Step 3. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, find the Account Summary or Account Balances section. This area will display all your accounts and their current balances. Step 4. Use the mobile app optional. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Call customer service if needed. If you encounter any issues or prefer to check your balance via phone, call Texas Trust Credit Union's customer service. Have your account information ready for verification. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance with Texas Trust Credit Union. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer support for assistance.